Strange. Where?
So there is no 46.
Yeah, or 44, I think.
Yeah.
Because I saw 46 somewhere.
Yes. The original Valmet Otis built in 1988 turned 30 years old in 2018. The serial number is 10322. Capacity is 4 pairs, so 300 figures. So it's probably the next building that is Conium.
Yeah.
Then there's 1985 Valmet, but we cannot go there yet.
Yeah.
Maybe next time. We'll try it next time.
Yeah.
Because I was there, but I have a bad video of it.
Oh.
So I have to do it again.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is amazing, it's faster. And if we do a second ride, we'll do it silent.
Oh.
So it's inspected by Kiva Spectre and maintained by Otis. Nowadays, grab this.
Mene vaan.
Disturbing.
Yeah. So one ride is enough.
Yeah, because it was too difficult.
Yeah.
We almost missed the door.
Yeah.
But we did. Okay, that's it.
That